Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to install a new handle on your toilet. So to begin with, we're going to need to go to the store. Alright, so we're at the store now. We just found the part. We're going to use this handle right here. And when we get home, I'll show you guys how we're going to put it on. And so see you then. Alrighty guys, so we just set my light up over there. So what happened here was this handle broke, okay? And it broke off right here at the edge. And so it was dangling down, so we had to shut the water off. So I'm going to freehand this whole video because I do not have a tripod. So if there is a little bit of a shake, don't mind that. And let's get started. So first off, we're going to need to go ahead and grab that part wherever it went. So here's the part that we're going to be using today. And so let's get started here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and unscrew the holding part, the part that holds the handle in place. We're going to unscrew that. And then we're going to remove the chain from the top of the flapper. Okay. Try to get you guys some close-up shots if I can. Really difficult to hold the camera up higher. There we go. So we got the part out here. Now we're just going to go ahead and install the handle. And we'll have to see which connection is going to be right to lift the flapper just enough. And that looks about right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and turn the water back on. And I'm going to step back because this thing likes to spray. You can see it likes to spray a little bit. We're good. You can remove your hand. And now we're going to wait until it is good and full. This might just take a second. My tank fills pretty fast. Okay, it's almost full here. The water is a little bit murky because it hasn't run in a while. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and test it with this new handle. Here we go. And that sounded like it worked. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to have my dad go ahead and put the lid back on. We're going to make sure that the thing doesn't hit the top. And it didn't hit the top, so we're good. There it goes. And so that is how we do, and that's how we install a new handle on a toilet. Have a great day, guys.